I went back to the thrift store, but this time I took my mom and my sister with me. So when we first got in the store, I started walking around to find inspiration for this next bag. I was excited about this trip because my mom and my sister love thrift stores. For this video inspiration, I decided to start with the jeans aisle as always. And then I started to walk around and I ran into my mom and my sister. Mom walked straight to the purses, but when she saw the price, she left that purse right where it was.
Is this the price, $34?
And then my sister fell in love with these fleur-de-lis candle holders. And she couldn't believe the price was only 99 cents.
Really pretty with the fleur-de-lis. I don't even know the price for this.
And when she saw the price, she almost bought them, but then I asked her where was she gonna put them, and she was like, I don't know, it's 99 cents. She just wanted it because it was 99 cents.
Because the rest of these little things up here is cheap with the red on it, $1.99.
Oh yeah, they might be $1.99.
Yeah, what?
Where would you put that in? For $1? You don't know. 99 cents. I don't know, but you just...
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to survive without getting them. But, oh, look at that cute little thing over there, Mimi.
Then we got over to the books aisle, and I thought about maybe finding some type of book cover that would make a cute bag. And even though I didn't find any books for my bag inspiration, I did purchase a book called the Apocrypha. Let me know in the comments if you've read it. And then finally, after searching that whole store, I ran across this little pouch, and it says my mascara ran. I'm counting it as exercise, and I thought that was really cute. And now we're back home, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it up to turn it into a really nice makeup case. For our makeup holder, we're gonna need 2 pieces for the gusset, 2 pieces for the outside of the part on the gusset where the zipper is. These 2 pieces are gonna go for the lining where the gusset zipper is. This is gonna be the bottom. This is gonna be the top. Of course, you need a long enough zipper. And this will be the little handle on top of the makeup bag.